So what did you do that for?
What for?
No, like what class did you do that for?
What, scare him?
No, like why did she pick a bird for?
I don't know.
They're always hear us.
Whoa, crap!
He's crazy.
No, they both scared the heck out of me. I didn't
Oh, I
even do
wondered
anything.
what you were doing.
What do you think I was doing?
Wonder what who did it?
Yes?
Hey, pretty.
Now here comes another one.
Wow,
Hello.
surrounded by birds.
Yep.
Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty.
What the heck is them?
See, it doesn't take long before they get used to it, yeah.
Hey, pretty. Hey, pretty.
Closest she is?
Dad, they're both by your feet.
Yep.
Oh, hey, pretty. Hey, pretty.
Oh, get out of my hand.
What?
Oh, no, they're trying to fight.
Oh really?
Get away from him.
Mine. I just saw it first. Get away.
Oh boy, now I'm being crowded by them.
Oh, you two.
I didn't do anything.
Well, you two are, but I'm not.
No.
You two are, but I'm not.
Why not? Get on.
No, I'm afraid of you.
They're afraid of you?
Yeah.
Oh, there's two under Kevin's leg.
What?
No, there's one.
Oh. The scared one. Yeah, you are.
Told you.
You scared him.
Yeah, I told you.
They're so cute. Hey, aren't they cute?
Yeah.
Hey, there's a little birdie. Guys, look. Look at that one. Guys, look. Right here.
Oh no, there was more.
Oh God. Yo, that one's cool. Look at that one.
That one's the male.
That one's so big but cool. Look at that one.
Yeah, see?
I never seen one that big.
Surrounded.
See? How his feathers are?
Yeah.
See?
Oh, hi guys. Hello.
Oh,
Pardon me. Be that way.
Hello, call me sometime. Hello.
You better not even think about it, you little monkey.
Yeah, Dad, you better not think. What?
Oh.
What are you doing?
Well,
No, I thought it was gonna bite my leg.
Really?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna try and bite my leg. No, there's two between your legs, Dad. There's two right between your legs.
hey, buddy.
Hey,
buddy. Hey, buddy.
They're so funny.
Really? They're so funny?
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Yep.